guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look. I just was playing with a new eyeshadow palette that I got and I really like the way that this look came out. The blue color on my eyes really is making me happy, so I hope it makes you guys happy. Who knows? Before we get started into this tutorial, make sure that you're subscribed down below and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. And if you would like to see how I get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Well, first I'm going to try to incorporate like what moisturizer that I'm using in each video. Is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream Moisturizer. If you're a subscriber, then you've seen this before. But if you're new to my channel, then you probably had never seen me talk about this before. But this is a really great moisturizer and I use that 96% of the time. I moisturize before I get in here. Sometimes I'll skip moisturizer, I know. Bad. Do what works for your skin. 4% of the time I'll skip moisturizer and just come in here and use my Moonstone drops. But yeah, so the other percentage of the time then I will use this before I get in here. All right, so the next thing, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Lip Treatment and just put this on my lips while I am doing the rest of my makeup. Many updates on my brows. This one is fading in the front a lot faster than this brow, but overall they look really nice, like really natural. And yeah, so for primer, I'm going to be trying another Physicians Formula product. I don't think this is necessarily a primer, but I'm going to use it. It is called the Brightening Facial Oil Stick and it has vitamin C in it, so I thought that would be really good because vitamin C is good for skin health. And so I'm just gonna apply this. I didn't read any directions and I don't have the box anymore, so I've never tried an oil stick. It's actually kind of cool. I just rub it in to kind of work it into my skin. I'm just going to use that as my primer. I'm not going to add anything else. That looks really nice. I mean, it just looks like a moisturizer to me. It doesn't have a strong scent whatsoever. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Josie Maran Vibrancy foundation. This has quickly become one of my favorite foundations. I'll just pump this all over. I think I applied way too much of this foundation. And it was only 3 drops. I just feel like I applied way too much. For cream contouring, I'm going to be using this palette from Sleek Makeup. And I'm going to be trying, maybe this shade. I'm gonna just go all in. I don't know if that was a good choice, but we'll blend it in. It'll be fine. In my normal contour areas, which is in the hollows of my cheek, on my forehead, and right here at the base of my chin, I actually like to use warm tones as opposed to cool tones because I think the warmth looks really nice for my skin tone. Sometimes cool tone contour shades can look like my face is dirty as opposed to making it seem like a hollow in my cheek. So we're gonna add a tad bit of concealer just to conceal really close underneath the eyes. And I'm only trying to apply it close because the foundation pretty much took care of the coverage that I needed around here. So I'm just bringing it close underneath the eyes. And I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. My face is so oily right now. I don't know if it was the oil stick that I used in the beginning or what, because I don't think the Josie Maran foundation is this oily. Maybe I just don't remember correctly, but I don't remember that. So because of that, I'm going to take the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Translucent Light and just set. And then with the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder, I'm going to take a tad bit of that and just set the rest of my face. Then I'm just taking that same CoverFX powder and just setting my eyelid area. So it kind of looks like my face is still really oily. Like me setting it with that powder didn't seem to keep it that much under control. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in the Golden Sands edition. I'm going to take this shade right here So I'm going to quickly do my brows and I'll be right back to do my eyeshadow. So as I was doing my brows, I was noticing that the concealer was starting to crease. So in my previous video, I did try the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer and I set it with the CoverGirl Translucent powder. It kept it from creasing. So I'm assuming that because I'm getting some creasing, it's because maybe that powder isn't really setting this creamy formula that well, which is fine. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the CoverGirl powder that I used in my last video to really just set underneath here so it doesn't crease. So for my eye look, I'm going to be trying this palette. It is the Love is Sweet palette from Flirt Cosmetics. And it looks like this on the inside. It's really cute. It's a cute layout. So I want to try it to see if I like the shadows in here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to create a complete look with this palette. I'm going to start with this purple right here. And I'm using a Sigma E35 brush to blend this into my crease. Yeah, I'm going to have to put some highlight on my body to match how glowy my face is. So for this look, I'm really just winging it. So I'm going to go in with this blue shade. Oh wow, that's nice. For the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade that has the Flirt logo on it. And for this, I'm using the Sigma E30 brush. It's a pencil brush. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and kind of tap it. So for the waterline, I'm going to use Chaos eyeliner from Urban Decay. And it is a like super blue eyeliner. You know what? I'm honestly not getting close to any fallout from these shadows. I'm gonna go back in and just blend this lighter purple. So I first went in with this in the crease. Now I'm gonna use this one to blend right in between the blue, the harsh line for the blue and the darker purple. So with a smaller brush, the Sigma E38, I'm going to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade, and there are names at the back, but it's easier for me to just point. So this shade right here, and just smoke this on the lower lash line, kind of blending out that blue, but not really. I love this eye look. It's like so fun. It makes me want to put on bright colors like for my clothes. So for lashes, I'm going to apply these Samantha lashes by Huda Beauty. For blush, I'm going to go in with Goulue, I don't know, from NARS. And it's a little cute sample size that I got from Sephora. And just apply this on the cheeks. What lip color am I gonna wear? I haven't even thought about that. Well, actually, I did think about it. My first mind was to do gloss, like before I sat down here. But because of this situation, I have like super glowy skin. I think I'm gonna go with something matte. I'll push down as far as I can the real inner corners of the lashes and then kind of flare up the outside. So that's a tip when I want my eyes to look really like So for mascara, I'm going to use Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara, and I just put on lashes. So like, why do I care about the mascara? Well, because I want to make sure that my lower lashes are match well with the false lashes. I also want to blend in my false lashes with my natural lashes, because you can see my lashes here just from the shadow kind of has fallen on my lashes when I was applying it, or maybe I put it there on accident. So I'm just gonna tap really at the base. Just look at the difference before and after. Like, they make my lashes look so good. So for lips, I'm going to line them with MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. And then for lip color, I'm using NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade After Hours. So I kind of feel like this is too dark for the fun we have on our lids. So I'm going to take the Physicians Formula All Natural Nude, the Healthy Lip. So So today I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And then I'm also going to take this same setting spray and spray my shoulder. And take the same highlight I use on my face. Just kind of tap it there. And this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up as well as comment below. And if you're not following my other social media channels, I am _Taylor Anise on Instagram and on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.